Hi, this is Chris Long with Radius Realty. We're going to quickly go over how you make an owner payment in your owner portal. You'll have to bear with me a little bit today. I have a touch of a cold, so hopefully you can understand everything I'm saying. First and foremost, let's navigate over to Radius Realty's website. Once there, in the upper left-hand corner of the site, it's going to take a minute to load, you'll see login. You'll want to log in as an investor. Excuse me, this is the upper right-hand corner. Once you are on this page, you'll then want to enter your username and password. So this will be the email account that we have on file with you. And I'm going to log into just one of my accounts. From there, this is your owner portal. This is where you can see the statements along the left-hand side here, transactions, inspection reports, and any documents that we've given you. You're going to want to go to transactions and make a contribution. From there, you'll select the property that you want within the drop-down. You'll enter the amount, so say $1, and then you can select if you want to do an e-check or a credit or debit card. Let's just check e-check. From there, you'll enter the name of the bank account, bank routing number, bank account number, account type, and whether it's a personal or a business account, and you'll hit continue. If we were to look at this again, but doing it as a credit card, it would look very similar. You'll enter the name of the card, billing address, card number, expiration, and security code, and hit continue. Once you review it, within the review step, you'll want to hit the button to finalize the transaction. This is for both credit card or an e-check. There are no fees or charges for a e-check. However, there is a fee and a charge for a credit card. The fee for credit cards are 2.9%. That does not go directly to us. That goes to the credit card processor. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@radiusrealty.com. Thank you so much.